Fuka Orthros. Imagine a tricycle built for two, where comfort, stability, and style come together in one futuristic ride. That's exactly what the Fuka Orthros delivers. This side-by-side tricycle is designed so both riders enjoy the journey equally. Its strong, anti-corrosion steel frame with epoxy coating makes it tough against weather while still looking sleek in matte black or satin white. The wide Schwalbe Big Bend Plus tires ensure a smooth grip on any road, while puncture protection keeps you rolling without worries. Power and control come from the 8-speed Shimano Nexus gear system and hydraulic disc brakes, complete with a parking brake for extra safety. LED front and rear lights make night drives just as safe as day trips. For comfort, the driver's seat is fully adjustable, and the passenger seat rotates for easy access. Together, it carries up to 240 kilograms, 120 per rider, making it practical as well as stylish. Customization is another highlight. From armrests to footrests and ventilated cushions, you can make it your own. And with a 10-year warranty upon registration, this ride is built to last. The Fuka Orthros isn't just transport, it's a whole new way to share the road.
eVTOL Logo 12K. The advantage of this truck is that in addition to transporting wood, it's also capable of loading and unloading on its own. The cabin, with a hydraulic lifting device, rotates 300 degrees. This feature gives the driver a better view and makes steering easier. The eVTOL Logo 12K is designed to work in the woods, so the suspension and wheels are able to cope with moderate off-road conditions. The model is intended for hauling small and large logs up to 39 feet, or 12 m in length. The number 12K refers to the maximum timber lengths that can be transported. The maximum length of the range is approximately 72 foot. Volta Zero, the developers of this vehicle, sell their brainchild as a modern truck for the city of the future. 110 million tons, generating over $30 billion annually. Farmers seek efficiency, and the Stinger Stacker 8500 leads innovation. It stacks extra dense square bales quickly with advanced hydraulics, GPS, and automation, transforming hay handling and boosting productivity in modern agriculture worldwide. It runs on a Detroit 13L diesel engine that delivers 460 horsepower. The machine uses a 6-speed Allison automatic transmission with joystick control, making it easier to handle in the field. To keep things running cool, it's equipped with a cross-flow radiator, a built-in transmission oil cooler, and a clean fix reversible fan that clears out debris and helps maintain steady performance. It weighs about 42,500 pounds and measures 35 feet long, 14t4 in tall, and just under 10 feet wide. When it comes to hauling bales, it can carry up to 14 3x4 Alco bales, 12 3x3 or 3x4 bales, 10 4x4 Alco bales.
Imagine a shield that can stop a wildfire before it reaches your home. That's exactly what Blaze Barrier does, turning your house into its own firefighter. Wildfires can wipe out entire neighborhoods in minutes. But with Blaze Barrier, you don't have to wait for help to arrive. This smart system creates a rapid, protective wall between your property and the flames. Here's how it works. Place compact modules around your home. When fire approaches, the system's detonator bursts into action, releasing a special fire-suppressing powder into the air. In seconds, it smothers the flames and stops them from spreading. The best part? This isn't some harsh chemical. The powder is eco-friendly, safe for plants and animals, and leaves no harmful residue in the soil. In a world where every second counts, Blaze Barrier gives you the power to protect what matters most, even when firefighters can't reach you in time. Your home doesn't just survive the fire, it fights back.
The 2023 Audi A8 was a more tailored professional appearance that has a unique appeal. The big Audi is just as roomy and comfortable as rivals, such as the BMW 7 Series, and the Mercedes-Benz S-Class cabin is whisper quiet, drowning out even the sound of the turbocharged V6 engine. This makes the A8 a relaxing place to reflect as your driver shuttles you to your next board meeting. But the A8 isn't only pleasing to those chauffeured in the back, its driver will be pleasantly surprised at how nicely This large car can handle, while it's not as athletic as the sportier S8 reviewed separately, the A8 can hold its own if you come across a particularly curvy stretch of tarmac. Following the styling refresh for last year's Day 8, Audi is made just two enhancements for the 2023, a new remote parking, an innovative off-road vehicle that combines the best of land and water navigation. Designed for ultimate versatility, it glides effortlessly over various surfaces from rocky trails and muddy paths to lakes and rivers. Its powerful engine and advanced hover technology provide a smooth, stable ride regardless of terrain or water conditions. Equipped with a robust suspension system, it ensures comfort and control even in the most rugged environments. With its sleek, futuristic design, spacious cabin, and cutting-edge safety features, the Sputnik 12 hovercraft is the perfect vehicle for those seeking new horizons, whether on land or the Cayman Expert ATV is a robust all-terrain vehicle designed for versatility and durability in various environments. Equipped with a powerful engine, it offers high performance for demanding tasks and off-road adventures. Its rugged, heavy-duty frame enhances stability and safety, making it ideal for both recreational and professional use. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride over rough terrains, while the superior traction provided by its aggressive tires allows for excellent maneuverability. Additional features include towing capacity for transporting equipment, cargo racks for added storage, and a reliable braking system for secure stopping power. Whether navigating through dense forests, muddy trails, or rocky landscapes, the Cayman Expert ATV is built to perform efficiently and reliably, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals.